division of polynomials children. We are going to do some division here, but before that, I will be taking with you the division of numbers. Okay. Now let us suppose we have a number 128, let's say, to be divided by 5. Okay. How do we do it? Does 1 come in the table of 5? Does 1 come in the table of 5?
No, ma'am.
No. 12.
No,
We have to now look for a number. We now have to look for a number which is either equal to 10, either equal to 12 or less than 12. What is that number, children?
10.
10.
5 into 2, 10.
By what number 5 should be multiplied to get
2.
Ma'am, 2.
12? Right. Now what will happen here? Do we subtract it afterwards?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 12 minus 10 is 2. So we subtract this and then we carry down another number which is 8.
Ma'am, 8.
In the same process, we look for a number which comes in the table of 5, which is either equal to 12 less than that. 5 into 5.
5, 25.
Again, we subtract and we get it. Okay. Now, what is the name of this 128? What do we call 128? Do we call it dividend?
Yes, ma'am.
5 called
Yes, ma'am.
Divisor.
25 is called
Question.
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 It will be
3
remainder.
is called
Remainder.
Now just keep one thing in mind. Had there been a number greater than 5, suppose we had 6 here. Suppose we had 6 here. Then will 6 be the remainder or we are going to divide further?
Ma'am, we are going to
Ma'am,
divide.
divide further.
Can divide further.
Divide further.
Because remainder cannot be given. Right. Remainder cannot be given divisor. Now the same logic we are going to apply for the polynomials. Okay. Now polynomials, how do we define polynomials? We decide polynomials on the basis of their degree. If we have a polynomial, let's say x cube, and another one is x square plus 4x, then the polynomial with higher degree will be taken as dividend, and the polynomial with smaller degree will be taken as divisor. So according to you, what should be the dividend here?
Ma'am, x cube.
What cube?
Ma'am, x cube.
X cube. Because the degree is 3. Okay. Now children, when we are going to talk of the polynomials, we are going to use some symbols. So dividend is usually given by px. Divisor is usually given by gx. Quotient start with q, so we write qx. And remainder starts with r, so we write rx for remainder. Okay, beta. Now let us take one example to do so. Let us understand this. X square plus 7x plus 12. Let us divide it by x plus 3. We are going to follow the same rule. I'm not rubbing it off because I will be comparing with it. See, 12 was there. Right, beta?
Yes.
12 tha yahan pe. And we had to look for a number which is multiplied by 5. The number which is to be multiplied by 5 so that we got 10 or a number smaller than 12. Likewise here, beta, we have x and here we have x square. Polynomials के case में क्या होगा? X is there and we need x square. X is there and we need x square.
We will multiply
multiply it by x.
We will multiply it by x. Okay. So when we are multiplying by 2, we are writing 2 in the question. Here, when we are multiplying by x, we will write x in the question. Okay? So x into x gives us
X square
x square.
and plus
Ma'am,
3x.
X square.
Plus
But
3x.
here the point is we not
Plus
only
3x.
multiply x, we are multiplying x plus 3 actually. है ना?
3 will also
Because
be multiplied by x.
only
X square
x.
plus
There it was
3x.
just 5.
Is equals to
But
3x.
here it is x plus 3. So the total is multiplied by x. So
3x.
x into x gives you x square plus 3 into x gives you
Ma'am, 3x.
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 in the next step. In the next step, it is being subtracted.
We will
Yes,
minus.
ma'am.
जी भैया,
Yes, ma'am.
here also
X square
we are
and
going
x
to
square will be
subtract
cutted.
both of- Here also we are
Ma'am,
subtracting
minus.
both of
Ma'am,
these. Please,
X square and x square will cut.
Ma'am, 4x. Ma'am, 7x minus 3x,
When
4x.
your mic is on mute.
and what is 7x minus 3x?
4x
Ma'am, 4x.
plus
Okay.
12.
Wait, children. Now see, here 12 minus 10 gave me 2. So I brought down 8. ठीक है ना? So here 7x minus 3x giving me 4x. So I will bring down the rest
And
of
plus
the term.
12.
Plus 12.
Plus 12. Ma'am, now
Okay,
we will
beta.
multiply x plus 3 by with 4.
4. We will multiply
Can
it
you
by 4.
please wait, children? Those who have done already in tuitions, I request them to be quiet for a while. Let me explain to others. Now 4x plus 12. अब आपके पास क्या है बच्चा? यहाँ पे 28 आया. Again, you looked for a number in the table of 5 which is equal to 28 or less than 25. So you multiplied it by 5. 5 into 5, 25. So here also x is there, and now we need which number?
Ma'am,
We
4.
need which term? 4x.
Ma'am, 4x.
So x should be multiplied
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am,
4.
by what number? 4. So plus 4. So it is 4x. And when you are going to multiply 3 by 4, what
Ma'am,
will
12.
it become?
Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, 12.
3 multiplied by 4. What will it become?
Ma'am,
12.
ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, 12.
Next step,
Ma'am, we'll minus it.
subtract it.
Ma'am, we will get 0.
0. Okay. So what is the remainder coming
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
0.
Ma'am,
0.
0. What is the remainder? 0.
0.
So when the remainder comes out to be 0, do we call it a factor?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Do we call it a factor?
Because
Do we call 5 as a factor of 128?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Because the
Remainder is not
remainder
0.
is not
But
0.
suppose I have
x plus 3 is a factor of the dividend.
suppose
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
125, then it will be
Yes, ma'am. Then it will be a
Yes,
factor.
ma'am.
remainder 0. So is 5 factor of 125? Yes. 5 is a factor of 125. So when the remainder comes out to be 0, say that x plus 3 is factor of x square plus 7x plus 12. And if remainder is not 0, we will not call it a factor. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh, please stop